Color correction and color grading is the most important part of video editing. To make your footage look cinematic, you need to color grade it. But many vloggers and users find it time consuming and complicated. But believe me, it's not a rocket science. So today I am going to tell you how you can make your video cinematic in Filmora by color grading. First, you need to select your video footage and import it in your project. Here I am giving examples for the videos from different devices. These are drone footage. This is from a GoPro action camera. And this is from my Sony Alpha A6400. All shots were captured in flat color profile, which retained all details of the color in it, so in post-production it will be easier to color grade. But if in any case your camera doesn't have a flat color profile option, you can still color correct it in the same way. Now drag and drop this drone footage first into the timeline. Then click to this Advanced Color Tuning option. Now first go to the color. Then adjust exposure and brightness a little bit. Then increase the contrast to reveal the shadow parts. Next, increase the vibrance and saturation. Now to the light option, adjust the highlights and shadow by decreasing it. Now let's see the before and after from here. You can see significant color changes. Now let's click the OK button to save it. Now let's do it for the next drone footage. Here, let's bring down the blacks a little bit, and now it looks amazing, right? So next, let's color grade action camera footage. I am using GoPro, so here it is. In this case, let's retouch the color a little bit by increasing contrast, vibrance and saturation. Decrease the shadow and black just a little. Remember one thing, if the light is perfect, if the exposure is perfect, you may not need to color correct much, like this one. Here this footage needs very less color correction. Let's do it for another GoPro footage. Here, let's increase the contrast, vibrance and saturation. And as this footage is in a dark area, we need to reveal the shadow parts. Also, as this is the dark time footage, you can just increase the temperature a little bit. So now you can see the warm effect in it. Let's see the before and after. Looks good, right? Now let's color grade for my Sony mirrorless camera footage. This can be your any DSLR or digital camera, but the process will be the same. Let's select and do it. You just follow the process. So here, this is simple on-camera vlogging footage. but by default this footage is a little bit warm, so I need to cool down the temperature. So let's do it this way. Next, increase the contrast, vibrance and saturation. Decrease the shadow to reveal the separation between dark and bright parts. It will pop up the main subject, which is obviously me here. Well, it's pretty good. Let's adjust the temperature a little bit. Just a little bit warmer side. Now it's good to go. Let's see the before and after. You can see now a much good footage here. If you have multiple vlog shots like this, for example, you can save this color setting as preset for future use. For that, just click Save as Preset from here and name it like vlog color and save. Now if you want to use it in your future video, just go to the preset option, then from the drop down menu open custom, and here you can get your save preset. Here is my vlog color. So just double click on it to apply and save it. That's it. It will save you plenty of time. Now let's fix the color for the next camera footage. So here it is. This way you can color grade or color correct your footage in Filmora. This is really easy. Try it and make your footage stand out among others. Well, if you want to use color alerts also, you can find Filmora color alerts from this video. Do check that out and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. So see you in my next video.